Okay, today we are going to draw a dinosaur using shapes. So what you need is a piece of paper just like this, and then you need some kind of pencil or marker. I'm just using a marker like this that I have. This is a Sharpie marker, but you can use a pencil or anything else that you want. The first thing I'm going to do with my piece of paper like this is draw a line across the middle. Okay, so I'm not going to go all the way from this way to this way. I'm just going to do a little line like this. Can you do that with your pen and your paper? Draw a line from here to here. Nice. Did you do that? All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a smile on our line. So I'm going to start at this end and I'm going to draw a smile down like this, and I'm going to join it up to this end. So we want our smile to touch here and here, okay? So watch me first. There, that's going to be the belly of our dinosaur. Did you do that? Did you do a smile? Excellent. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, do you still have your pen and your paper? Good stuff. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is the dinosaur's head. So for this, I'm going to draw kind of like a oval shape up in this corner, just like this. Now, do you see how my oval shape isn't touching my dinosaur body? So there needs to be a bit of a gap here, okay? So draw your head over here, your oval shape over here, and then with this gap, we're going to draw from this corner all the way up to our head. Okay, so it touches this corner and goes up to our head. And then we're going to use another line, almost make it look like a triangle. We're going to go up here and draw another line from the head to the body. So this almost looks like a triangle. If it was pointy at the top, it would kind of look like a triangle. Okay, next, let's see what we're going to do next. Let's do a line. We're going to go to this corner. Can you find that corner on your picture? And we're going to do a bit of a curvy line like that. Not all the way up to the top of the paper, just to there. And then we're going to go back to the top and draw another curvy line down to this line. So back to the top and a curvy line down like that. Okay? Did you do that? Excellent. Okay, now we're going to give our dinosaur some legs. We're going to use rectangles for our legs. So starting over here, we're going to draw a rectangle like that. Okay, see how it's touching the line at the top? Did you get that done? Then we're going to do another rectangle really close to it. Down, across, and up. So these two are very close to each other. Okay? If it's a little tricky for you, that's okay. You just do your best. Next, we're going to do another rectangle. We're going to leave a bit of a space right here, and then we're going to start our other rectangle right here, down, across, and up. Okay? If it's tricky, that's okay. You just keep trying. And then we're going to do our last rectangle because we need 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles for our 4 legs for our dinosaur. Good job. Excellent. All right. What else does our dinosaur need? Does he need an eye? Where would the eye go? Would it go on the tail or on the head? Yes, it goes on the head. So we're going to do a circle for the eye And then I'm just gonna color in part of the circle. Make it look like the dinosaur's looking down a little bit. Then I'm gonna give the dinosaur a mouth, just with a line like that. I've got a pretty happy dinosaur. Is your dinosaur happy or sad? Next, we want to give the dinosaur some triangles on his neck. We're going to do that by drawing a line out like that, and then one back to his neck. And we're going to do a few of those down his neck. What do you think? Does that look good? And let's do some along his back too. We'll do one more on his neck, and then we'll do a couple along his back. Awesome. Now our dinosaur needs to be colored in. Do you have any colors? I gotta get a color because I forgot to get a color before I started. So I'm gonna grab a color. I have blue and green, but you can do your dinosaur whatever color you want. So taking my blue, I'm gonna color in my dinosaur. I'm gonna try my best to stay in the lines. I'm gonna color his tail blue. I'm gonna color his body blue. I'm going to color his legs blue. Now you can do your dinosaur whatever color you want. You may choose to have 4 different color legs. That would be kind of fun. And I'm going to do his head blue. I'm going to try my best to stay in the lines. Now for his spikes, I'm going to use this green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we have it. I have drawn a dinosaur. I hope that you also have drawn a dinosaur, and you know what? I would love for you to post a picture of your dinosaur in the comments. Let's all share our pictures and see what colored dinosaurs we can make.